I don't know what to do. I have so much to get done on this truck, and I'm running out of money, man. It's crazy.
What the f was that?
I gotta finish up this bed. I don't know if I should weld in the supports so that it'd be strong enough. Number one, I don't know how to weld.
Bruh.
And number two, welders are expensive for somebody that doesn't know how to weld.
You smart.
I don't know what I could do. Stop your crying, playboy. What? It's the genie of the deep south. And I'm here to grant you one wish. Yeah, I said so you said
one
I get
wish.
One wish?
That's how we do down in the dirty south. One wish.
Okay, I wish for a Lincoln Welder.
Oh, all right.
How about
That's easy. One Lincoln Electric Welder.
Whoa!
Hey, see, like I handle my business here, I'm gone.
That is amazing. I got a new welder. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today is exactly what y'all seen in the intro. And please forgive me, that intro is crazy. You know your boy got a little loose screws up top, but man, I'm so excited to bring to the channel. We have a welder. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's a Lincoln Electric Handy Mig. I guess it's hey, let me tell y'all one thing. I have no clue how to weld, but I can tell you this. I did not know how to put in an engine. I didn't know how to tune an engine. I didn't know how to paint. I didn't know how to do none of that. But hey, your boy proved that with a little research and just a little patience, I can do anything. Just like y'all. Y'all can do anything you put your mind to. So what I did, first of all, I want to tell my dad, thank you, man. Pops, man. If y'all didn't know, my birthday just passed. Pops, he got me a welder. He knew I wanted to do some welding, and hey, he hooked your boy up. So appreciate you, Pops. I know you watching the video, man. You do so much for me and my family, and we definitely appreciate everything that you do for us, and we love you. And man, today in this video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just open it up, just show you what all is inside. And yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna do any welding today. I'm gonna do a little research. And plus, I want y'all to go down in the comment section if you have any tips or tricks. Just let me know what you guys do when y'all weld, what not to do, what to look for. But there's gonna be plenty of first time welding videos coming. So hey, just stay tuned, be patient. It's coming, y'all. But let's see what's on the front of this box, man. All right, let's see what we got. All right, they said we got a MIG flux core wire feed welder. So I guess that means we can go with the gas or without the gas. I don't know for sure, but I think with the gas, I can weld thinner gauge metal. I think that's right. Let me know down in the comment section. I don't know. I think the flux core, it has the stuff inside the wire. I've researched just a little bit, and I don't think you can do as thick gauge. Oh yeah, it says it right here. For the welding, flux core welding. I guess you do 18 gauge at 1/8, which I don't know what the heck that is. 14 gauge at 1/8 with the gas. So I know 14 gauge is smaller than 18 gauge, well, thinner than 18 gauge. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what it's supposed to be. Here's all the dang, if I can stop shaking. Here go all the specs on it, I guess. I don't know what the heck, but I'm gonna have to see where my local welding place is so I can get me a tank, and yeah, so I can do the Mig welding too. I'm gonna probably have to get a mask, some gloves, a cart. It's gonna be some more stuff that I'm gonna have to get, but I see it includes a wire brush, some wire, I guess different some tips, a little cheap mask, and I guess that's for the gas. Whoo, boy, I am, and it actually it goes off of as you can see, 120 volt at 20 amps. I guess I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. I'm just around here saying stuff like I know. But let me find a razor and then we can open the box up.
Perfect.
So y'all can see what's inside. All right, I got y'all set up on the tripod so I can pull all this stuff out. Got my blade. Let's get going. Ooh, 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 what? It's like Christmas in July. It ain't July, it's June. Ooh. I want to tear nothing up. Hold on. I guess this is a little tip to knock off the little residue from the flux core. I don't know, and then I guess it's to clean off the metal or the weld. Man, hey, yeah, I'm so excited, man. Hey, y'all just bear with me, please, please. All right, what we got? Shoot, I'm gonna have to, oh no, I ain't picking this up. I'm gonna have to cut this box open. I guess this look like, this is where I'll hook up the gas with this fitting. There we go. There we go. Alright, so this is the front and this is the back. Oh, you. Dropping stuff all on the floor. No man, as long as it ain't the welder. As long as we don't drop the welder. Ooh, this thing feel like some quality, boy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I guess this is all the hoses and stuff. The tips. You know, I'm gonna read the manual for once. I don't want to mess nothing up. What we got here? Oh shoot, it look like some glass. This must be for the mask. The heck is this? Oh, I almost dropped. What is this, for the mask? I guess.
Perfect.
Don't cover the charge pipe.
We shall soon find out. Oh. Yeah. It's for my little ugly mask. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm gonna need a welding cart for this bad boy. Ooh. What else? We got some other stuff I dropped. What we got here? We got the inner shield core wire. Can y'all see? We got that. And what else do we have here? This look like the other wire. I don't know why this one ain't wrapped up. I don't know, this must be for the Mig Welder. What else we got? Probably nothing else. Hold on, let me see. I think that's it, fellas. I think that is it. Ooh, I'm gonna take y'all off the tripod so y'all can see. Miss Senorita. All right, here we go. Up close and personal. Oh yeah. Yeah. There go the guts on that thing. Ooh, hey. I know this ain't the best of all welders of all time, but I think this will be sufficient for me and what I'm going to be doing at the house. I'm not planning on doing any kind of welding work for nobody. I'm doing this stuff, you know, at home on my own vehicles and whatever else I feel like welding. So I think this is more than enough. And man, I appreciate you, Pops, for looking out for your boy, because you definitely did, man. I think this is gonna be it for this video, y'all. I just want to introduce it. I'm hot, as y'all can see. I'm sweating like a pig. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because your boy is going to be having some welding videos, my first time welding videos. So I know y'all definitely want to see that. Y'all know I jack up some stuff, but at some point I'm gonna get that thing right. I promise you. But hey, like I said before, thank y'all for watching the video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, all 2,000 of y'all plus. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all really push me to make these videos, man, and I really do love making these videos, having fun, and just, you know, bringing you guys content to be entertained. With all that being said, I'm finna get out of here, y'all. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.